All right, drink we're about to make is called a root beer barrel. All right, first thing we're going to do is take a shot glass, and we're going to fill it up with root beer schnapps. Okay. And we're going to place that in our glass. Just set it right in the middle. Try not to spill it all out. And now we're going to take some beer and just pour it in. Try not to pour it into the shot glass. Whoops, we got a little bit in there. That's okay. You're going to fill it up until it gets just about to the rim of the shot. Slowly, being very careful. Let's let that foam settle a little bit. Okay, and now all you're going to do is add a little bit more beer. I'm going to get it all the way up almost to the rim. There we go. And now you're just going to take your hand and smash it on. Whoop. There we go. That's a root beer barrel. Bottoms up.